Hi, my name is Vijay. Today we are going to learn the login process step by step for Smart Order. Smart Order is a e-commerce and web-based application for the B2B business launched by Stanley Black Decker, India.
We have three options to log into this application. Okay, the first option is login using the email ID and password. Okay, and the second option is a login using the quick access token. It will work like the OTP method, and the third option is only for our SPD employees. Let us quickly see how we can register to this website and start using the application. If you are already a distributor with Stanley Black Decker, then your account is already set up. You have to just set up your password to begin. Click on First Access. This is applicable only for the users who are logging into the website for the first time. Okay. Now enter the email ID, your registered email ID with SPD, and click on Send. It's time to choose the new password. Since you're logging in for the first time, you have to enter the password twice in order to save that. The password should contain minimum 8 characteristics. It should contain one numerical character, one uppercase and one lowercase. Once you are done with the registering of password, just click on Confirm your password option. Now you would have received the 6-digit OTP from Vtex. Okay, check your inbox. In case if you not received email in the inbox, you may check in the spam folder. Copy the OTP that is received on your email and paste it here and click on Confirm. You can see the message. It says password is set successfully and you are logged into the system. When you log in from next time, choose first option, enter your email ID, your password, and then confirm to log in. Let us see how to reset the password. Click on Forgot your password. Enter the email ID, click Send and choose your password. Enter the OTP and click on Confirm. Let's see the other alternate ways to log in. Click on Get Quick Access Token by email and then enter your email ID and click Enter. Now enter the OTP that is sent to your email and click on Confirm to login. Okay guys, I hope this video is useful for you. In case if you have any further clarification, please get in touch with our local sales team. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Stanley Black Decker. For those who make the world.